Guys, posting daily, regularly, it really help us to increase our engagement, and they have possibility that Facebook algorithm will notice us and they will suggest our all posts. So for example guys, on my Kabayan Inubay right now, some of my posts already suggested by algorithm because I don't have any viral post before. But look at now, when I post good morning, it's coming comment of 1,000 comment, total 500 comment. So it never happened before. So what I did, that algorithm noticed my post because time to time I'm uploading every day text post, picture post, reels video, and long form video. So I'm active every day and engaged. Most important, we need to engage every time. We need to engage to all people that always visiting in our comment section if we have time. So that's friendly reminder to us, friendly reminders to everybody so that Facebook algorithm will notice us. So that's friendly reminders. Guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. So comment down below so I'll get back to you. Thank you so much and have a nice day.